Hello, PTE learners. Welcome to this quick 60 to 90-second PTE spoken text practice lecture. Today, you'll listen to a short lecture on a high-frequency 2025 topic. Your task is to focus, take notes, and identify the main idea, 2 supporting points, and 1 example. After listening, pause the video and write your summary in 50 to 70 words. This will help you improve your listening, note-taking, and summarizing skills, all crucial for the PTE exam. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips.
Space exploration and its benefits. Space exploration has significantly expanded human knowledge by enabling the discovery of planets, stars, and the origins of the universe. Modern space missions use advanced technology to study climate patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes on Earth. Satellites help us predict weather, monitor forests, and guide global communication. Although space research is expensive, it brings scientific progress, innovation in medicine, and international collaboration, shaping a safer and more connected world. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Artificial intelligence has transformed healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient management. AI systems analyze medical images faster than human doctors and help identify diseases like cancer at early stages. Automated tools assist hospitals in predicting risks, managing records, and reducing errors. Although there are concerns about privacy and job loss, AI enhances accuracy and efficiency. With ethical regulation, it can revolutionize global healthcare delivery. Cultural diversity in education. Cultural diversity in education plays a vital role in creating a more tolerant and inclusive society. Schools with multicultural environments allow students to learn different languages, traditions, and perspectives. This exposure improves communication skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Diversity also helps reduce discrimination and supports global collaboration. When students understand cultural differences, they grow into respectful and open-minded citizens prepared for international opportunities. Cybersecurity and digital safety. Cybersecurity has become essential as digital threats increase around the world. Hackers target personal data, financial systems, and government networks, causing serious economic and security risks. To protect information, organizations use encryption, strong passwords, and multi-layer authentication. Public awareness and cybersecurity education are necessary because human mistakes cause most data breaches. Governments and companies must work together to develop secure digital environments for the future. Waste management and recycling. Waste management is a global challenge affecting public health and the environment. Rapid population growth and consumerism have increased waste production beyond sustainable levels. Recycling reduces pollution, saves energy, and conserves natural resources such as water and minerals. Governments promote waste segregation and eco-friendly products, but public participation is essential. By adopting responsible habits, communities can protect ecosystems and build a cleaner future.
Great job listening. Now check your summary against the sample answers shown on the screen. Compare your main idea, supporting points, and conclusion. Did you use correct grammar and complete sentences? If not, try again until you can write a clear 50 to 70 word summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PTE prediction lectures and exam tips every week.